Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like.
Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. Hope everybody having a good day today. I know I'm kind of late on these retro ones, you know what I'm saying, yellow toes. That's what we're gonna do the review on our own feed, by the way. I know I'm kind of late, but it's all good though. At least y'all gonna have our own feed and here review of these Air Jordan 1 yellow toes. I've been waiting on these since high school, back to 2015, 2016, bro. Like they kept saying yellow toes gonna come out possibly next year. Just kept saying next year. When they finally said a set release date, I was like, yes sir, I need a must cop. No excuses, no nothing. I need these must cop. Even right now, the resale value on these on GOAT StockX not bad at all. By next summer, this shit gonna be an easy close to $300 shoe. That is my opinion. And I know I'm not lying because right now this shoe not really gonna do too well right now. But around next year, around the summertime, this gonna be definitely a must cop for sure. Cause you know it's fall right now, you know what I'm saying? But me, I'm gonna rock mine in the fall, winter time, next summer, spring, you know what I'm saying? All year round. Cause this shoe, I've been waiting for this shoe, like I said, since high school, bro. 2015, 2016, bro. Now if I ain't got my hands on this shoe, you think I'm gonna let it go? Nah. This shoe gonna stay with me in the collection forever, for sure. But like I said, we got our own feed and review the Air Jordan 1 yellow toes. Comment down below, man. Let me know you picked up a pair from sneakers, one from the Nike app, one from the Foot Locker app, one from Champs app. Let your boy know down below. I want my size from Foot Locker. I don't think I want like one size from Champs, but everything else from Foot Locker. I got a size 6 left. If somebody need a size 6, you know what I'm saying, holla at your boy. Go to Junkie Kicks down below. On Instagram, go ahead, shoot me a DM. If you're interested in that size 6, let your boy know down below. But did enough talking, man. Let's go into the video, man. Man, these Air Jordan 1s, man, just Air Jordan 1's always been my first love for sure. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. It just, when they come out with them crazy different material on these Air Jordan 1s, I would just sit back and start getting on the Nike Dunk style. But Air Jordan 1 bring back so many memories. Not this exact colorway, but like the pine greens, the court purples, the bread toes. Like them Air Jordan 1s right there were like my first love. And then they got the same exact materials as the pine greens as the court purples when they first released. So I hope they bring back these materials back on the Air Jordan 1s. If they do, I'm on there. I'm front row center. Let me go get my size. If they don't come back with this material on the Air Jordan 1s, I'm gonna sit back. I'm cool. I'm good. I don't want them. But I did enough talking about this shoe, man. Let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go, man. Here they go. So I like when they do that too with the color boxing, you know what I'm saying? Even though I missed the original black and red box. But this is cool. You know what I'm saying? Usually be black and red, the original Nike box, Air Jordan 1 box case. Pretty sure that everybody knows. But they add the yellow and black. So, you know what I'm saying? Black and yellow. I'm not a Steelers fan, by the way, in case y'all wondering. No, not a Steelers fan. But here you go, the box right here. It says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Taxi, Black Sail, size 11. Retail price on these was $180. It's crazy, bro. It is crazy. The price, retail price on these used to be $160. And then last year, coming towards this year, was $170. Now they at $180 now. Whew. That's crazy. After tax is like $194. Crazy, they used to be $160, bro. Now they at $180. Woo! They not playing with us, man. Let's go get the shoe out, man. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 yellow toes, aka taxi joints, man. Ooh, these things is beautiful, man. Look at, just look close at that material, that leather material on this shoe. I could just tell easier right here on the side panel here. Just look beautiful. This shoe just beautiful. Just overall, just beautiful, man. Look at that shoe out, man. There you go, man. The Air Jordan 1 yellow toes, aka the taxi joints, man. Overall, 10 out of 10. Easy. This is an easy 10 out of 10. Must cop, must have, for sure. It just like I said, the material caught my eye. And also, like I said, bring back the material from the pine green court purple with the bread toast material. It just, that tumble leather on the toe box here, right here on the side panel here. Just the overall material on this shoe, just a 10 out of 10. Colorway 10 out of 10. Just like I said, bring back memories, man, for sure. If you could relate, man, comment down below, man, let me know, man, for sure, because like, bring back so many memories, man. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. So here you got your yellow outsole. The whole outsole is yellow, no black or nothing like that, even though I love black outsoles, but it's yellow. I could deal with it, you know what I'm saying, tripping on it. On the midsole, you got your white midsole. Toe box here, you got your black leather toe box. Toe box here, you have your yellow toe box with your little tumble leather. Like I said, the tumble leather material is 10 out of 10 for sure. On the side panel here, you got your white side panel with your black Nike swoosh. Also, you got your Air Jordan wing logo here stamped in there, black. The black laces. And you got your Nike Air stitched yellow. That's another thing about little Air Jordan 1. So you got that Nike Air stitched right there on the tongue. Official side of the shoe. You got your Nike Air yellow inside of the shoe with your black sock liner. It just, when I look at the Air Jordan 1s, I looked at the material and the colorway. And that all comes together as one, you won't be over. But if it's like one, you know, it just depends, you know what I'm saying? Just certain ones. If they don't got the material, but they got the colorway, I'll be like, okay, I'll do it. But if they got both, I'm like, come on down. Come on down, come on down. But like I said, this overall, this shoe definitely 10 out of 10. People might be like, nah, I'll pass on it, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I just been waiting on this shoe since like 2015, 2016, bro. Then they're going on 6 years I've been waiting on this shoe, man. So glad I got it in my hands. Let's get this on feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all as always, man. Y'all my family. Appreciate y'all showing us support as always. Even though if I don't post no shoes, y'all still show love on my videos, man. I greatly appreciate y'all, man. But like I said, let's get this on feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get it.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from jewelry, new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. Bro, it's just crazy how really been waiting on these for 6 years, bro. 6 years. And I finally got my hands on these. And it's like, damn. I don't even cuss on here, but it's just like, damn, like these things beautiful, bro. Like, I really been waiting on these for so long, and I finally got my hands on it. It's like a grail down, you can say, but I got it for retail. That's even 10 times better as well. So it's like a win-win situation, man. But size run on Retro 11, size run on Retro 1s. I got a size 11. These 11s fits me perfect. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time I do get 11 and a half in my Retro 1s, but I remember when I did size 12s, they was running big, but either I could do 11, 11 and a half. It just depends, give or take. But like I said, this material right here, the size 11 fits me perfectly fine, fits me right on the nose, mwah, easy. But I always tell people in Retro 1s, go half size up. It's just my feet skinny, real skinny and narrow. So this size 11 fits me perfectly fine, and I'm flat footed. So this is a win-win-win situation for me. But if you got a wide foot, go a half size up. Just trying to tell y'all, go a half size up. If you got a wide foot, if your foot ain't skinny and narrow like mine, and I ain't judging you. I ain't judging you. Trust me, I'm not judging you. But go a half size up. Trust me. Because if you go true to size, you get that 10. Trust me, your foot, it's going to be hurting. It's going to be hurting. Trust me. But go a half size up for sure, man. But the retail price on these, like I said again, was $180. And the grade school sizes was $160. So, like I said, I have a size 6 left. If you're looking to get that size 6, go ahead and follow my Instagram page down below at Junkie Kicks. That's my reselling page. It's got my LLC for that page. By the way, I'm going to post it, you know what I'm saying, on my YouTube, you know what I'm saying, so y'all could just see your boy official, you know what I'm saying. Been working behind closed doors, even though I don't post on here. I'll be working, you know what I'm saying. So I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, man. Like I said, we got these Retro 4s coming out this weekend. We got some music coming out this weekend. So hopefully your boy have a couple pairs of those. Have another video out for you guys on those as well. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always, like I said in the beginning of the video. Much love to everybody. Hope everybody have a good day today, you know what I'm saying. Catch you on another video, man. Jared1 is out. Peace.